a variety of resources that can be used on test day. This video will show how to use the different types of mouse pointers. This designated support is something that may be assigned by a teacher depending on a student's need. During testing, the pointer will appear as a small white arrow, but there are 10 other options available with varying sizes and colors. The option you may choose must be selected prior to testing. Available options for the mouse pointer are large black, extra large black, large green, extra large green, large red, extra large red, large yellow, extra large yellow, large white, and extra large white. Note that different devices may require different actions in order to make these selections. Thanks for watching!